In this tutorial, you will learn how to properly set up your project or service by using the basic, standard and premium packages. What are those, you may ask? The basic package is simply the base service you're offering. For a graphic designer, that may mean simple graphics, flyers, leaflets. The standard package is an additional service you're willing to offer for a higher price. That is, in addition to designing simple graphics, you'll design business cards. Then for the premium package, you get the logic now. On the packages and charge page, there's the 3 packages. Now go ahead to set up basic package. Enter a title, select a delivery time, revision number, and set up the charge. Now that you're set, leave all 3 boxes checked, then go ahead to set up the standard package. Scroll to the far right and click the plus sign. That'll create a new row below the first. Now you have 2 rows. Go ahead to enter the title as before. Under the standard column, choose a delivery time, revision number, and set up the charge. Then uncheck the first box under basic column. If you've gotten to this point, then congratulations, you're on track. Finally, set up the premium package. Scroll to the far right again and click the plus sign. That'll create a new row below the second. Now you have 3 rows. Go ahead to enter the title as usual. Under the premium column, choose a delivery time, revision number, and set up the charge. Now uncheck the first and second boxes under basic and standard columns. And that's it, folks. Click Create Project and you're done.